is bringing a whole new level of beauty and sophistication to protective braids. And today, you're about to see styles you truly cannot afford to miss. From soft, natural finishes to bold, statement looks, these braids are trending across the US, the UK, and beyond. As you watch, try to pick the one you love the most, even though I already know it's not going to be easy. And stay with me because the styles keep getting even more stunning as we go. Protective braids have always been a favorite for convenience and beauty, but in 2026, they're becoming something much more intentional. They're not just about protecting your natural hair anymore, about looking polished, elevated, and effortlessly put together without spending hours styling your hair every day. One of the biggest shifts right now is toward lighter, more natural-looking braids. Styles that don't feel heavy, styles that move freely, and styles that look like they're growing directly from your scalp. This is exactly why knotless braids continue to dominate. They're gentle, they're neat, and they give that clean, seamless finish that instantly upgrades your overall appearance. At the same time, box braids are not going anywhere, but they're evolving. The difference now is in the details. Cleaner parts, smoother finishes, and richer, more intentional colors are what make this classic style feel modern and refined. It's no longer just about installing braids. It's about creating a look that feels luxurious and well thought out. Another style that is standing out beautifully is Fulani braids. There's something about the patterns that instantly adds personality and uniqueness. Whether you keep it simple or add a few accessories, it always feels stylish, cultural, and expressive without trying too hard. Then you have boho braids, which bring a completely different kind of beauty. Soft, slightly undone, and very effortless. The loose curls add movement and give that relaxed but still very elegant vibe. It's perfect if you want something that looks feminine, modern, and not too structured. Cornrows are also stepping into a new era. They're no longer just simple straight-back styles. Now they're becoming more artistic, more detailed, and more creative. The designs alone can completely transform your look and make your hairstyle stand out in the most subtle but powerful way. As you continue watching, start thinking about what really fits your lifestyle. Not just what looks good, but what works for your daily routine. The best hairstyle is always the one that balances beauty, comfort, and practically. And if you've already seen something you like, don't rush your decision just yet, because some of the most beautiful styles are still coming. Sometimes the style you didn't expect ends up being the one you love the most. Now, beyond choosing a style, how you maintain your braids is just as important as how they look on day one. Keeping your scalp moisturized will make a huge difference. A simple lightweight oil can help prevent dryness, itching, and discomfort. Protecting your hair at night is also key. Using a silk or satin scarf helps reduce frizz and keeps your braids looking neat for a much longer time. It's a small habit, but it makes a big difference. It's also important not to keep your braids in for too long, even though they are protective. Leaving them in beyond 6 to 8 weeks can lead to breakage and unnecessary stress on your hair. And one thing many people overlook is the importance of a good stylist. Clean parting, the right tension, and proper technique can completely change how your braids look and feel. The difference is always clear. At this point, I'm sure you've found a style, or maybe a few styles that really stood out to you. Go ahead and choose your favorite, even if it's hard to decide. And if you love discovering beautiful, stylish, and protective hairstyles like these, stay connected because there's so much more coming. And the next styles might be even better than what you've seen today.
Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shoeless hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twist and turn, every braid tells a tale. Queen in the mirror, watch how beauty prevails. Soft like sunshine, bold like fire. Step in my chair, feel the magic begin. Shoeless hands on your hair, let that confidence win. Twist and turn, every braid tells a tale. Queen in the mirror, watch how beauty prevails.